Natural gas is a colorless and odorless gas found deep beneath Earth's surface. It is composed primarily of methane and contains small amounts of hydrocarbon gas liquids. Natural gas, like all fossil fuels, is a non-renewable resource because it exists in finite quantities and doesn't replenish over a short period of time. Natural gas was discovered and identified in America in the 17th century by French explorers. And the first successful natural gas well was dug in New York by William Hart. During the 19th century, natural gas was used exclusively for light. However, once it was possible to utilize pipelines for its transportation, natural gas has become a substantial resource for home heating, cooking, and household appliances, including water heaters and ovens. They are also used in manufacturing and processing plants and boilers to generate electricity. Natural gas can come in two forms. It may be liquefied or compressed. Natural gas that is compressed at an immensely high pressure is classified as compressed natural gas, or CNG. It can also be liquefied if excessively cooled, which should make it liquefied natural gas, or LNG. Natural gas is converted into the energy we rely on, most commonly by first liquefying it. After it is liquefied, then it is transported to power plants, in which it is distributed to homes and factories. Natural gas is utilized in a multitude of ways. In the United States, most natural gas is burned as a fuel. In 2012, about 30% of the energy consumed across the nation was obtained from natural gas. It was used to generate electricity, heat buildings, fuel vehicles, heat water, bake foods, power industrial furnaces, and even run air conditioners. The top 10 countries that use the most natural gases are the United States, Russia, China, Iran, Japan, Canada, Saudi Arabia, Germany, Mexico, and the United Kingdom. The drilling and extraction of natural gas from wells and its transportation in pipelines results in the leakage of methane, a primary component of natural gas. Methane is 34 times stronger than carbon dioxide at trapping heat over a 100-year period and 86 times stronger over 20 years. The combustion of natural gas produces exorbitant amounts of sulfur, mercury, and particulates. Moreover, the burning of natural gas produces nitrogen oxides, which are precursors to smog. These pollutants have been linked with problems such as asthma, bronchitis, lung cancer, and heart disease for hundreds of thousands of Americans. The construction and land disturbance required for gas drilling can alter the land use and harm local ecosystems by causing erosion and fragmenting wildlife habitats and migration patterns. When gas operators clear a site to build a well pad, pipelines, and access roads, the construction process can cause erosion of dirt, minerals, and other harmful pollutants into nearby streams. Unconventional gas development may pose health risks to nearby communities through contamination of drinking water sources with hazardous chemicals used in drilling the wellbore, hydraulically fracturing the well, processing and refining the gas, or disposing of wastewater. Hydraulic fracturing itself has been linked to low-magnitude seismic activity. In some sense, natural gas can be a renewable resource. In places like landfills, it is created from the degradable matter and trash. A major plus of natural gas is that it can be efficiently and safely stored. Like petroleum, it is a fossil fuel in the thermogenic sense. However, it is considered to be more environmentally friendly due to its low emissions after burning. It emits 60 to 90% less smog-producing pollutants. One of the most notable facts about natural gas is that most of the natural reserves of natural gas are underutilized. Like other fossil fuels, natural gas still does create greenhouse gas emissions. In the sense of a large-scale use, gas from landfills would not be able to meet demand, and we would therefore be relying on non-renewable forms of gas. Natural gas is highly volatile and can be dangerous if handled or transported carelessly. Because natural gas is highly combustible, mishandling can lead to major explosions. This factor has led to individuals shying away from its use in vehicles. One of the main problems with natural gas is that it is odorless, and leaks cannot be detected unless some odorant has been added to it. Natural gas extracted from the nation's coal beds and methane-rich geologic features must first be purged of hydrogen sulfide before it can be used as fuel. Until now, processing methods have often proven to be inefficient, requiring large amounts of heat. But a team of Patel researchers at the Department of Energy's Pacific Northwest National Laboratory have discovered a method that could dramatically cut the amount of heat needed during processing, reducing the amount of energy needed during a key processing step by at least 10%. The research team believes that the discovery could ultimately lead to a more cost-effective way of tapping into extremely sour natural gas reserves, which are reserves that contain significant amounts of hydrogen sulfide that may not have been economically viable up to this point. In conclusion, natural gas is a gas that is discovered beneath the surface of the Earth. Some of its advantages include the fact that it is safely stored and it emits less smog compared to other fossil fuels. It is a vital resource for electricity and household appliances. Its disadvantages include the fact that it is odorless and contributes to climate change.